Hello and welcome back to today's lesson. The first part of the lesson was about the simple past tense, with base verbs such as stay, look, make, and go. Now we're going to talk about actions that happened regularly in the past but do not happen anymore. These are usually called past habits. The phrase we will be working with is used to. Please notice this phrase is always in the past. Okay, this is important. Since we have used and we know this verb is in past tense, the main verb is in the base form. For example, let's talk about sports. And let's say that you love playing soccer, and when you were a kid, you played soccer every weekend. To describe this as a past habit, you can say, I used to play soccer every weekend. Now you don't play soccer anymore. If you want to make this sentence more specific, you can add the word when. For example, when I was a kid, I used to play soccer every weekend. Used to can also help us talk about things that were true in the past but are not true now. For example, things that existed in a specific place in the past. There used to be a big movie theater here. In other words, the movie theater is gone now. Look at the following example. When he was at the university, he used to have long hair. He finished his major and then cut his hair. Used to can also have a negative form. This form needs the auxiliary did. Note that the form changes from used to didn't use to. The negative of used to helps us talk about things that did not happen in the past but happen now. In other words, a change of habit. Let's see an example. I didn't used to love coffee, but now I love it. She didn't used to exercise, but now she goes to the gym every day. Both sentences are followed by but now to show this change of habit. The interrogative form of used to is simple. We use did plus subject plus used to plus verb. Did you used to jog on the weekends? The question is about a past action or habit, right? The answer could be, yes, I did, but now I don't. Did she used to work here? She did, but that was a long time ago. So the answer is, yes, she did. She worked here 40 years ago. Well, that's all in today's lesson. Remember to practice. Have a great day.